Hey guys, so I caved in and I got myself a pair of the Ugg Tazz Braided Slippers. I got these from Victoria's Secret. They were at a discount, around $70-ish. And right off the bat, I think they look so cute. They're a little bit bulkier than I had expected, I suppose. But if you see my other videos, you know I'm a sucker for shearling teddy materials. I think it's just so cozy, it's my aesthetic. And I love the color, it's so cute. So I'm going to try them on and see if they live up to the hype. Okay guys, I tried them on. I gotta be real with you. I'm not really sure what the hype is all about. I don't like how the backs are very low. I felt like my foot kept slipping in and out. Like, I feel like it would be a nightmare walking down the street, let alone like walking at a brisk pace or even running. I don't even know if that's possible. Like, literally my foot just slips in and out, in and out. I'm not sure if maybe I shouldn't be wearing socks, like maybe my socks are too thick, I'm not sure. But anyways, and I can definitely foresee this material just like getting really dirty quickly. But I'm not sure if I'm keeping these, to be honest. Let me know if any of you guys have a similar opinion about it and any solutions you might have. But yeah, I'm not really sure how I feel about these.